looks for the cross. Now Song. Well executed. Long-range effort, very long range. Pretty easy for the goalkeeper. He'll be just saying, shoot. If you're going to shoot like that, I'll pick them up all day long. Benzema. Angel Di Maria. Might be able to find some space down the sides if they go wide here. Goalkeeper might be needed again. These home fans will be on his back all game long, you feel. Real Madrid have the ball. Now the counter-attack could be on here.
Well, I think he needs to go back to the training ground. Coaching-wise, that was poor positioning.
It's Messi.
He's put it in very dangerously. Good passing, but not quite the final ball. Here come Real Madrid. And the decision is a corner here. That's a good pass. Marcelo. Fabio Coentrao. Some of the fans there thinking that should be a corner, but it's a throw. Khedira. They've linked up well. Important challenge now, he must get the ball away. Pedro. Good pass. And he lets fly here. And they cut it out. Good reading of by anticipating the pass. Well, neatly done out.
Oh, Gratuitous, wasn't it?
On to Ronaldo.
Oh, and they're on the counter-attack here. Excellent passing here. Surely! That's not going to get past Victor Valdez. Sanchez.
Come on.
Into a forward position goes Iniesta.
So it's half-time and we're still waiting for that first goal.
Well, this is very, very tight. And winning the ball and keeping it is two different things, really. That's why we've got an even share of possession.
Yeah, they have both had plenty of the ball, but you'd like to see a better end product from both sides in many ways.
Cesc Fabregas has been warming up. He's ready now to come on into midfield, where, of course, he's such an artist. Now, Mascherano.
And now Messi.
He's found his teammate. Now Pedro. Close to the touchline, that's where he likes to work.
And here come the supporting cast.
He's going to cross it. The goal is there for the taking. And Real Madrid get the corner. Cristiano Ronaldo!
And there it is for Real Madrid.
And the header is sweet and accurate, and it's a great moment for him.
Well, it was a good set piece, Martin, but defensively you have to ask one or two questions. They just weren't marking properly there.
Real Madrid have the lead. Break maybe from Barcelona. The attack breaks down. Cristiano Ronaldo. This could be an opening for Real Madrid. Brilliant opening. It's not the best game that he's ever played, but that might be just one of his best ever saves.
Well, he'll be hoping that he's turned the corner in this match because he's been woeful today so far.
Well played. That's clever use of the ball, just getting it off the ground. It's Messi. How does he cut that out? Wonderful play. Fabio Coentrao. Benzema. Fabio Coentrao getting into an advanced position. Cristiano Ronaldo. They've got the ball back, Barcelona. Fabio Coentrao. And the ball goes out for a goal kick. Well, there's nowhere to hide for him today. He's just concentrating on his own game. Daniel Alves. That's a wonderful pass. It's a great ball. That's very good defending. They had to get it right, and that defender did it superbly. Khedira. Angel Di Maria able to help his teammate out. Defenders worried now about Cristiano Ronaldo. Great crosser of the ball, this fella. Good ball. And he drives for goal.
Shot there, Cristiano Ronaldo having that one already. Fully expected to see the net bulging.
Here's the cross. He headed it goalwards. Goal! Fantastic header! Well, it certainly looks as though his first goal has given him the confidence to snatch another.
Great movement in the box from him to start off with, to get the room, and then once the chance came, header. What a thumping effort it was.
And it's 2-0 here. Karim Benzema. That's a good chance now to cross. And here's a shot now. Pedro. It's a real opening here. And he's kept the... Oh, the break could have happened really for them. But they've lost possession now. And the defenders are back in control and pretty relieved about it. Fabio Coentrao. And off he goes, Cristiano Ronaldo. And in this mood, he's going to take some stopping. When we looked at this game on paper before it started, I think everyone thought it was going to be very much a tense, tight affair. Real Madrid had other ideas. They have been the one team on the pitch, and the scoreline shows how well they've played. Wonderful result for them. Here's Fabregas. And now Messi. Jordi Alba. It's Messi. And now Iniesta. Well, the attack looked really dangerous, but the interception was perfect for his team. Fabio Coentrao. And the defender to the rescue after a promising piece of attacking play. We're down now to the last 6 minutes. Villa. David Villa, good to be back playing again, and that sort of movement shows he is back. What a chance here. Pedro. Sanchez. Good ball.
Can go into the middle here from the cross.
Good punch by the keeper. He's tried it. Oh, terrific reactions from the goalkeeper. Just got there.
Now it's a free kick. The referee has decided to award.
Oh, the Wolves sneaking forward. And it's a win. Here as the final whistle goes for Real Madrid.